Okay, so here's the bathroom. I can't step in it because the tile's wet. But this is on mosaic. Pretty. And this is the shower stall. Can't really tell, but there you go. There's the shower stall. And there's the window. And this corner here is where the toilet goes. And then this corner here is where the sink goes. And this is the floor. And it's shiny. Okay, this is the bedroom. Closet. Window. Window. Here's Richie's spackling. Big window. And this is the inside wall. And cathedral ceiling. That's where the ceiling fan's gonna go. Moving along. There's the hallway. It used to be the old fourth bedroom.